For this recipe, we are using two 1-inch ribeye steaks. They are a little bit over 1 pound each. Using paper towels, pat them dry to remove excess moisture. You know the drill. Let's go ahead and make the spicy cocoa steak rub. Combine 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of chipotle powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, and about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, or to taste. Then mix to combine. Now, cover the steaks with the spicy cocoa rub. With clean hands, rub the rub onto the steaks. After all, it's a rub, right? Rub away. Cover the steaks with the spicy cocoa rub on all sides. Now, let's get cooking. In a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the butter has melted and the oil is smoking hot, add the steaks to the skillet. You may cook your steak as desired. We are cooking these steaks 4 minutes per side for perfect medium rare. And after 4 minutes, flip the steaks over and cook for another 4 minutes. If medium rare is not your thing, then let them cook longer. For medium rare, we are looking for an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And once the steaks have reached the desired doneness, remove from the skillet. Let the steaks rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. While the steaks are resting, let's make a quick salad. In a large bowl, add 3 cups of mixed greens, followed by 1 small cucumber sliced, 1 cup of grape tomatoes sliced as well, half a medium-sized red onion sliced, about half a cup of green olives and feta cheese if you like olives and cheese, and finish it up with half a cup of shaved Parmesan cheese. As for the dressing, combine the juice of 1 full lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Using a tiny whisk to combine. Set the dressing aside until needed. Once the steaks have rested, go ahead and slice. Serve the steak with this salad and sliced avocado. There you guys have it, spicy cocoa steak. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!
Yeah!